What if we know the time we are going to die? Birth and death are two certain things for all living creatures. While we celebrate our birthday with cakes and balloons, the thoughts of death fill most people with dread. Would we feel any better about it if it was something we could plan for? So, death, the big question on everyone's lips. Part of the darkness surrounding death is that, unlike a birth, we don't know when it is coming, and very few can plan for it. But what if we could? If we knew the exact day, I imagine some people would try and escape it. Like in the movie Logan's Run, adults know when they are going to die, and some try to avoid it. If we knew the day, would we not stay home wrapped in blankets waiting for midnight? Wouldn't we constantly be going to the doctor trying to see if they could pick up on an illness early enough to change our fate? Would it be like Final Destination, where even if we tried to escape our doomsday clock, it would find us regardless? If so, what would this tell us about fate and our lives if our deaths were predetermined from day one? Would this answer our questions about religion or deepen them further? Death could be a good motivator. A lot of people live reasonably standard lives, feel themselves slip into the mundane, and have no drive to step out of the rat race. Many people put dieting off until tomorrow. Some people will never quite get around to writing that book. If we knew exactly how many tomorrows we had left, wouldn't we start actually doing something about it? Sometimes people get so bogged down in the daily grind that they forget to be the best versions of themselves. If we knew when we were going to die, we would have a better idea of our personal timescale and a finer appreciation of living in the now. While I can't support that enough, where would this leave business and industries? Where would this leave capitalism? Push comes to shove. Humans tend to value their own lives higher than money, higher than consumer goods. If we knew we were dying in a year, would we buy that new lamp, new iPhone? Why would we even bother going to work? Time is precious, especially when you can see the last few grains slipping through the neck of the hourglass. While this newfound appreciation for our time would be great and freeing for us, it would be difficult for society to function the way it does now. We may have to live much more self-sustainable lives, as who would actually be going to work at the grocery store? Think you'd spend your time traveling and seeing the world? Great. But how would you get there without train drivers, ship captains, or airline pilots more concerned with their own mortality than punching the clock? If we knew when we were going to die, we could see a rise in crime. In Breaking Bad, for example, Walter White learns of his terminal illness and decides to unleash everything he suppressed as a humdrum, middle-class, white American dad who earned a steady job and lived in the shadow of his more successful friends. I'm not saying people would start cooking up drugs in the caravans in the desert, but what is the law and what meaning is punishment when you already know your number has been called? Speaking of the plight of the fictional Walter White, there are actually some people who roughly know when they are going to die. Terminally ill people are often given weeks, months, or a year left to live. They know their own rough expiry date and can say their goodbyes accordingly. The problem is, by this time they are already ill and there is no certainty as to their mental state on their last day on earth. Some people opt for euthanasia for this exact reason. Choosing their exact death date is more of a comfort to them. That way they know they will be well enough to say goodbye to friends and loved ones the way they want. Knowing your death date may make managing relationships easier. There would be nothing left unsaid, and perhaps we would know when to remove ourselves from toxic situations. As more than anything, we would know that life is just too damn short. Ultimately though, knowing our death date may send us a little crazy. Unless it was something we were simply born knowing, maybe that way we could find a peace in it. So there is what I think would happen if we knew when we were going to die. What do you think would happen if we knew when we were going to die? Let me know in the comments section below and make sure to subscribe to our channels for more videos like these.